Hello darlings, so before I start this evening, I'm a little gin and tonic, and a very good friend of mine, Sheila Fraser, Scottish lady, she brought me this, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but Eton, which is a small batch Scottish gin. It's delicious anyway, cheers. Hello darlings, my name's Stephen Davies and I'm the knob by the hob. Okay, so this evening, I don't normally do desserts. I haven't got a sweet tooth. Despite this belly, it's alcohol related, not dessert related. But there's a quick dessert that I do, and it's a version of an Eton mess. There's two types I do. One is a strawberry with balsamic vinegar, and the other one is a raspberry with chocolate. So I'm going to do them both for you today. Really easy, really straightforward. So I'm going to do the strawberry one first. So first of all, chop up some strawberries, put in a splash of balsamic vinegar and a little twist of pepper, and leave that to marinate for a little bit. Then in the bowl, I've just bought these meringue cases. Crush them up, not too, keep them quite, you don't crush them up too much. I usually do one meringue case per person. I use a full fat creme fraiche. You can use double cream or whipping cream, whatever, but I prefer to use creme, or you can use sour cream, but I prefer creme fraiche. So put a couple of dollops of that in. Mix that together. That basically forms the base of your Eton mess. Now, I then put, these are actually fresh vanilla pods. So just break open the vanilla pod and then scrape the little pods out. Just a tiny little, it's very strong, this vanilla, so just a tiny little bit of the vanilla pod in there as well. Okay, get a glass. I often use just normal drinking glasses and stuff. So I don't know if anybody knows how the Eton mess came about, but apparently it was at the school Eton. They were bringing their desserts out, one of them being a pavlova. Somebody tripped, dropped it on the floor, and rather than waste it, they scooped it all out and put it into the dishes, and that's how it was then called an Eton mess. So it's basically a smashed up pavlova. There's the meringues, and then just put in the strawberries with the balsamic vinegar. And then what I do is a special little treat. Tesco's Finest Belgium chocolate ganache. Put it into this is a little copper pan. Put it over heat. So put that over the heat, let it melt down, just for like literally a minute or two. Yeah, I'd keep it on a lowish. It's a little high that actually at the moment, but turn down a little bit. Just keep stirring it. Keep it. Literally will take. I mean, these copper saucepans are quite expensive, but they're really good at heating little things like this. So heat that. Get it down so it becomes then much more liquid. So literally, this is Tesco's Finest, and as you can see, that it's beautiful. Rather than, you can do your own thing with the chocolate and everything if you want to, but I mean, it's just so much easier just buying this and melting it down. Dip a nice big strawberry in there, get it coated with the chocolate, and then let that dry for a minute. Then stick that on the top of your Eton mess. So this is the other one. Again, very straightforward, exactly the same. The crushed up meringue cases, a little bit of vanilla pod and the creme fraiche. Put that in. I'm going to make a little bit more because that's a bit on the stingy side. This is where this is so easy to make, you know, if you've got an extra guest turner. You could put, sometimes you can put a little bit of, you could put a little bit of liqueur quiche or something like quiche, a liqueur in it if you wanted to. Then this one's going to be raspberries. So put a load of raspberries on the top. And then again, with the ganache, the Belgian chocolate ganache, just drizzle that over like that. You could put a little bit of fresh mint on the top if you wanted to. I'm just going to leave it like that. There you go. Dessert for you.